Hello everyone, how are you? It's been a long time. I hope everybody is keeping safe in this trying time. I pray that the Lord will continue to be with every one of us in Jesus' name. Thank you for everyone that has been there for me, that have subscribed to my channel, watching my videos. Thank you so much, even though the videos are not much and I've not been uploading recently. I've been really busy with family and stuff, and it's been busy for me, so thank you so much. Today I brought a video that is about a face mask. So I'm going to use Ankara fabric to make my face mask. But before we get into it, please continue to subscribe to my channel, and I'll try as much as possible to do more videos that will help and encourage us to, well, embrace our craft side. So let's get into the video. Right, in this video, as I said earlier, I'm making Ankara face masks. So you're going to cut out, to start with, I'm going to make this face mask of 3 layers. I'm using this Ankara fabric. So this is 8 by 8 inches, which this is the first layer. The middle layer I use a fabric that is a little bit soft to help filter more gems, and the other part of it is the same Ankara. It's 8 by 8 inches. So, and my marks is gonna be tied. I'm not using elastic. So this is like 35 inches long, so I need 2 of it. So what we're gonna do now, you're going to put the wrong side, right side facing down, and you put this, the light one, I'll say filter, because I don't have a real filter, but I'm using a fabric for my own filter. So you put it on top of each other, so there are 3 layers. This is the inside out. So you go and sew them round. You sew the upper part, you sew this part and the bottom part. So I'll take it to the machine now, I'll sew it, and I'll bring it back to show you. So now I've sewn both sides of the square 8 by 8 inches fabric. I've sewn the top side and the bottom side. So I'm gonna turn it inside out. I'm gonna turn it out now. So this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna use iron to press it, so it can be neat when I finish. So now here's what I paint. The color might not let you see it properly. I paint twice. So now for the rope, we're gonna find a center for the rope, and notch. We'll do the same thing for the second one, for the second rope, and notch. So find a center for this one too, so the rope can be equal, so because the rope will be going on this side, on both sides. Now we're going to put the notch part on top of each other. We pin the rope to it, and we sew this side of the rope, we sew it, and the other one too. See, so we're going to sew this side and this side. So let me get my machine and do just that. Now I'm sewing the other side. So I've finished sewing both sides, so I'm gonna remove the pins that I used to hold the fold. I don't need them anymore. So the last thing we're gonna do is fold this tie so it's neat enough. So let's quickly do that. When you're folding this, you bend this over so it's not, the edge is not rough. Yeah, then fold. So I've finished making both sides. Let me move this machine to the side so you can see properly. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Because I'm wearing the same fabric, it might not be showing properly. So, and let's try it on to see. I tie it at the back here. So that's your mark. You're protected. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification button so that you can know whenever I upload a video. So please like and subscribe. Please support us. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're bringing more videos to your way, and if you have any suggestion of a video you want us to make, please let us know. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye.